Okay, that is ridiculous in the best possible way. Imagine having people over on a summer evening. The sun goes down, the lights come on, and right on schedule the bugs arrive. Then a tiny drone lifts off from somewhere behind your shoulder and starts going to work. Everyone stops. Someone pulls out a phone. Someone else asks if it actually got one. Suddenly, your mosquito control system has become the entertainment. This is almost a viral moment in your pocket, a product that demonstrates itself every time it does its job. And yes, the confirmed target in that demonstration was a moth. But that may make the idea more interesting, not less, because mosquitoes might only be the beginning. The company is called Tornial. Its approach combines cheap micro-drones with ultrasonic sensing, signal processing, and autonomous control. The system listens to the way a flying insect changes the reflected signal. Wing beats create a distinctive signature, in principle, that can help the system identify what is flying, track it, and send the drone to intercept it. The founder's profile shows the progression, detecting tiny objects, identifying mosquitoes, miniaturizing the electronics, and now integrating pursuit with an actual drone. This is not simply a remote-controlled toy with someone aiming it. The autonomy is the entire point. Now think beyond one mosquito in one room. Patios and backyards are obvious. So are cottages, campsites, outdoor restaurants, resorts, and evening events. Around farms, biting flies and horseflies are a constant irritation for livestock. In greenhouses, targeted systems could potentially monitor or intercept fungus gnats, whiteflies, or adult moths before they reproduce. Agriculture may be even more interesting. Instead of treating an entire area indiscriminately, a future system might identify a specific pest and act only on that target. That creates the possibility of pest control that is more selective around pollinators and other harmless insects. Even before the drones become perfect hunters, the sensing system could have value. It could count insects, classify species, map activity, and tell operators where an outbreak is forming. The product category may eventually be less flying bug swatter and more autonomous insect control network. Tornial itself is a private startup, so there is no public mosquito drone stock to buy. The investing signal is broader. Drones are moving from expensive flying cameras toward inexpensive, task-specific autonomous workers. When motors, sensors, batteries, edge computing, and navigation become cheap enough, the addressable market does not expand only because drones get better at existing jobs. It expands because entirely new jobs become economical. Mosquito control is a perfect example. The individual task is tiny. The target is tiny. The value of any single interception is tiny. But if autonomous hardware can repeat that task thousands of times without a human pilot, the economics can change. For public market research, the relevant watch list includes AeroVironment, RCAT, ONDS, and Kratos. Those companies are not direct beneficiaries of Tornial's success. They are different ways to study autonomous aircraft, drone manufacturing, sensing, and fleet deployment. The useful investor question is not, which stock kills mosquitoes? It is, who owns technology that becomes more valuable as autonomous machines spread into more specialized jobs? Of course, a successful interception in a demonstration is not the same as a commercial system protecting a backyard every night. Reliability, safety, classification accuracy, battery life, and unit economics still have to be proven. But that is the qualification, not the whole story. The story today is that a small team built a drone that can autonomously chase down a flying insect. That deserves a moment of appreciation. If this eventually becomes a little patrol system that launches at dusk and clears the air around a patio, people will not need a marketing presentation to understand it. They will watch it fly, watch it hunt, and immediately want to show someone else. The mosquito is the hook. The larger investing idea is the falling cost of autonomy and all the strange new jobs that become possible when a flying robot is finally cheap enough to do something this small.